Did you get your Facebook page unpublished and now you want to be able to get it back? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how you can do this. But it is very important that you do watch this video and follow along step by step to be able to make it work, just so you know. And the first step is going to be for you to go into your Facebook app, and as you can see, I'm currently on my Facebook app right here. And by the way, you can do this exact same process on your computer as well. It works basically the same. So now what you're going to do is to locate where it says menu. For me, it's in the bottom right corner, but for you it might be in the top right corner instead. But just click on menu, because then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. Now on this page, just scroll down until you can see where it says help and support. So click on help and support. Now you're going to click on report a problem, and then once again click on report a problem, click on include, as you can see, and now you should be taken to this page right here. The reason why you need to come to this page is because in here we're actually able to contact the Facebook support, and we need to choose the one that specializes for Facebook page, and they're the ones that can help us with this. So what you're going to do now is to just scroll down and click on pages in here. So click on pages. Now you're going to write like this: I had my Facebook page unpublished. And you can also write the name of your Facebook page, by the way, if you remember it, so you can write it in here. So I don't really have any example right now, but I'm just going to write like this: I had my Facebook page unpublished. It was done by mistake. I need you to take another look at it and publish it once again. So basically this is exactly what you need to write to them. Just going to scroll back up just a second. I had my Facebook page unpublished, the name of the Facebook page. It was done by mistake. I need you to take another look at it and publish it once again. And when you're done, just click on send in the top right corner. And after that, you will need to wait 24 to about 48 hours for the Facebook support to be able to see this. And hopefully after they have seen this, they will take another look on your Facebook page and fix this problem for you. So let me know in the comments below. Maybe if you have any questions, and I will try to answer to as many as I can. And also I wish you the best day.